Hey guys, welcome back to Jersey Shore Beers and Brews Reviews. I've got a second beer review of the day, where I think we're only doing 3 today, which is, thank God. I've been getting my ass kicked by these things, especially that one that is from Icarus. Holy cow, that was a rough day. This one is by Paulaner München. It's called Paulaner Salvator Double Bock. Comes in at 7.9%. It's a double bock, and it says quality and heritage brewed with the uncompromising standards that strictly adhere to the Regelschrift, using only 4 ingredients: water, hops, yeast, and malt for nearly 400 years. Brewed and bottled by Paulaner Brewery Group GmbH and Company, Munich, Germany. www.paulaner.com. And it's got your government warning on it. It's got the Bavarian beer seal on it, and it's pretty good label on it. You know, it's got like a patriot, an old English guy, and a monk on it. And we'll show you that up on a timeline. It's 11.2 ounces, not even 12 ounces, so you know it's imported. And let's crack it open and see what we got. Got the little fancy-dancy bottle opener that just fits on your keychain, which is wonderful. I've got a dog over here that has been like quiet all week until I do beer reviews, and now he's dropping around the plastic bottle and shaking it and stuff like that. So hopefully you're not going to pick that sound up. But he's a good guy. See what I mean? Come on, man. He thinks he's got to be part of the entertainment. I mean, I wish I could put him in these things, because sometimes he's freaking hilarious. Sometimes he's just a dickhead. So anyway, let's tilt it back and see what we got. Looks pretty good. I mean, it's definitely lacing on the glass and stuff like that. We got a double bock, we're killing it. And hopefully it's gonna be very palatable on our taste buds. Oh yeah. A little bit of smokiness going on there. Rich, light, I think this would be very easy drinking, especially in the summertime. Yeah, at 8%, this thing will hurt you. This is one of those beers that, you know what, you're gonna sit down with, drink. It's gonna go down like a whistle, and you're gonna be going, huh, okay. Good stuff. Good stuff. Man, I hate doing the score thing, because it's very difficult to go, is this an epic? Because a lot of beers are, man, you just want to go, yeah, this is an epic, but it's not. It's way above average beer. You know, I gotta come in like, I'm gonna come in like 7, 8. You know, and what I try and do is I try and put all these pieces in the puzzle together, you know, so that you guys got a good idea of the beer that you're buying out there. You know, and I really just want to help you guys out, get a good beer for your money that you can rely on, that's going to be, you know, good when you drink it. Yeah, it's a great beer. You know, I wouldn't turn it down at all, but it's not epic. So yeah, that's a beer review, guys. If you're going out partying, drink responsibly. You know, this little sign over here that's up there all the time. And don't forget about the 1,000 subscriber giveaway that's up here. And make sure that you head to the channel and you subscribe, because that came earlier in the video. And if you didn't click on it now if you would. That'd be great. And we'll see you on the next one, all right? Peace, guys. We'll see you.